Yo, I gotta stop wearing the same stuff in every video, so I'm gonna order jackets in here, but might be doing something today, little muffler delete, trying to. I got the 4-inch tips that I was supposed to put on my Impala, but I'm gonna put in my hair. It's 2.5, and this is 4. So I'm trying to see what's up with that today. I wasn't go to some other shop, but they told me something I gotta wait 2 hours. And this shop, it's like one car in there now. Then I gotta see how long it's gonna be for that one car. The other car just pulled off, so I'm trying to see. But yeah, look at the baby. Get a little dirty now, but look at this John. I don't know what size it is, but on a Carfax they replaced this John because I looked under it and you could tell. But look at this, look how it stick out. You really can't tell the difference, but look. You see how big that muffler is, and look how skinny that is. So, taking both of them Jones off.